Hello guys, welcome to VChem World. Here we will discuss on the different types of example based on the formula of compound. In the first example, a compound is formed by two elements P and Q. Atoms of Q make HCP lattice and those of the elements P occupy all the tetrahedral voids. In the previous lecture, we discussed on the number of atom present in the unit cell, for example n number. So number of octahedral voids is equal to number of atom in unit cell. In this, Q make HCP lattice. So Q is equal to number of atoms in unit cell. Its number, for example, number of atom in HCP lattice, and those of the element P occupy all the tetrahedral voids. So P is equal to occupy all tetrahedral voids. This is the, for example, n number. So this all tetrahedral voids. That way number of atom is equal to n and number of tetrahedral voids is always twice than the octahedral voids. So its value 2n. We can say that the P is equal to 2n. So P is twice than the Q. So this formula is P2Q. That way we can say that the compound is formed by two elements. Atom of Q make HCP, for example Q HCP, and P make the all tetrahedral voids. Tetrahedral voids is twice than the Q. So its formula is P2Q. Next, atoms of element B form HCP lattice. So B adopt HCP arrangement, close packing lattice. B CCP or HCP. Its number of atom per unit cell is equal to n. Another, those of the element A occupy 2/3 of the tetrahedral voids. We know that the A occupy tetrahedral voids is equal to 2n. But element A occupy 2/3 of the tetrahedral voids. We write that the 2/3 into 2n. So this is the 4/3n. Bn and A 4/3n. So we write that B1 and A 4/3 is equal to B3A4. So its answer, formula of compound is B3A4. Cubic close packed structure of mixed oxide. The lattice is made up of oxide. So we write that the number of atoms per unit cell for the oxide is equal to n. 1/8 of tetrahedral voids are occupied by divalent ion. 1/8 of tetrahedral void. First of all is the number of tetrahedral voids per unit cell is equal to 2n. And it gives the 1/8 of, multiply by 1/8. It gives the n by 4. Then occupied by divalent ion A plus 2. So this is the A plus 2. While 1/2 of octahedral void. First of all, we know that the number of octahedral voids is equal to n, because of the number of octahedral voids is equal to the number of atom in unit cell. 1/2, then 1/2 of octahedral divided by 1/2. So this is the n by 2. By trivalent ion is B plus 3. What is the formula of oxide? Three terms A, B and O. A, B and O. A is equal to n by 4. B n by 2 and O n. Take LCM is 4. So this is the A, B, O. This is the 1, 2 and 4. Its formula of compound is AB2O4. This is the very important question. The mineral spinel has the molecular formula MgAl2O4. In this, oxide ion are present in CCP arrangement. Present in CCP arrangement means number of atoms is equal to n. So, in the oxide ion, there is the number of atom 4. Number of atoms in oxygen is equal to 4. In bracket, consider as a n value. Because of the, why this is the consider n value? Because of the oxide ion are present in CCP arrangement. So, its value n. When this value n, we find out that the octahedral voids and tetrahedral voids. Same way, number of tetrahedral voids per unit cell is equal to 8. Because of the, this is the twice of the number of atom in unit cell. And third, number of octahedral voids is equal to 4. We find out that the number of atoms 4, number of tetrahedral voids in per unit cell is equal to 8 and number of octahedral voids per unit cell is equal to 4. Then how to find out that the Mg plus ion occupy tetrahedral void? So this is the Mg plus 2. While Al plus 3 ions occupy the octahedral void. Calculate the percentage of tetrahedral voids occupied by Mg plus 2 ion and octahedral voids occupied by Al plus 3 ion. In this formula, Mg is equal to 1 and Al 2. How to find out the percentage? First, we find out the tetrahedral voids occupied by Mg plus 2 ion. So, total tetrahedral void is equal to 8. But in this, our given formula MgAl2O4, 1 present. So, this is the 1 divided by 8 into 100. 100 percentage find out. And then 2 octahedral void present in the 4 out of 4. So, this is the 2 by 4 into 100. That way we find out the percentage of tetrahedral void and octahedral voids. A solid is made of two elements X and Y. Atoms X are in FCC arrangement. That means its number of atoms per unit cell is equal to n. So, X number of atoms per unit cell is equal to n. Then Y atoms occupy all octahedral sites. So, Y number of octahedral sites is equal to n. And alternate tetrahedral sites. When consider all tetrahedral sites, for example, number of tetrahedral sites is equal to 2n. But in the given the one word alternate, that means the n by 2 is equal to n. So, x is equal to n and y is equal to n for the octahedral and n for the tetrahedral. So, y is equal to n plus n is equal to 2n. That's formula xy2. Next, if a normal spinel structure O minus 2 ions form FCC packing and 1 by 8 of tetrahedral sites are occupied by divalent metal ions and 1/2 of octahedral sites are occupied by trivalent atom. What is the ratio of tetrahedral by octahedral sites? In this question, formula is not given. So, we find out the number of atom present in unit cell. In given the FCC phase 6 phases present. In 6 phases, contribution 1/2. So, it gives total number of 3 atoms. And 8's corner, contribution 1 by 8. It gives the 1 atom. So, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 atom. So, FCC gives the 4 atom. The number of atoms and O minus to adopt FCC structure. The number of atom for the O minus 2 is equal to 4n. And we know that number of tetrahedral voids in per unit cell is equal to twice of the number of atom in unit cell. And number of octahedral voids is equal to 4n. Then 1 by 8 of tetrahedral sites are occupied by divalent metal ion. Occupied by 1 by 8. This is the 1 by 8. N is equal to 1. Then 1/2 of the octahedral sites are occupied by trivalent metal ion. Number of octahedral sites 1 by half. This is the 2n. N into n. Then find out what is the ratio of tetrahedral by octahedral sites. So tetrahedral voids divided by octahedral voids is equal to tetrahedral voids is equal to 1 and octahedral voids is equal to 2. So its ratio is 0.5. Not occupy in spinel structure. Unoccupied site. First we discuss on the occupied sites. In the occupied site, 1 by 8 of tetrahedral site, total 8 sites, but occupy only 1 because of the 1 by 8. So unoccupied sites is equal to 7. This is the total number of 8n minus 1 because of the, this is the occupied. And 7n is unoccupied. The number of unoccupied sites is 7. Then half of the octahedral sites are occupied. Half occupied, half unoccupied. So this is the 4n minus 2 is equal to 2n unoccupied. 1 occupied, 2 occupied, and 7 and 2 unoccupied. So find out the ratio of tetrahedral sites. Tetrahedral sites divided by octahedral sites. In the tetrahedral sites is equal to 7n and octahedral sites is equal to 2n. So its ratio is 7 by 2. Next, arrange simple cubic, body center cubic, face center cubic and hexagonal close packing in increasing order of packing efficiency. We know that the packing efficiency of cubic, simple cubic is equal to 52.4%. Body center cubic 68%, FCC 74% and HCP also 74%. Because of the in this same arrangement. So arrangement of the increasing order, first simple cubic, then body center, then FCC is equal to HCP. A atoms have CCP arrangement and B atoms occupy all octahedral sites. If all the face center atoms along one of the axes are removed, then what will be the result of this compound? First find out the number of atoms present in per unit cell. So this is the find out of the A. Number of atom in FCC, total 8 on the corner. So its contribution is equal to 1 by 8 and 8 corner atom. And 6 faces. So 6 atom present on the faces and its contribution is 1/2. So total 3. But in this case, given that the along one of the axes are removed. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 atom present on the faces. But in this one axis, this is one axis is removed. So these 2 atoms are removed. So total 1, 2, 3, 4 atom present on the faces. It's equal to 4 atom present and its contribution 1 by 2. Its answer is equal to 3. Then second, find out the atoms occupy all the octahedral sites. Number of atoms occupies all the octahedral sites. On the octahedral sites in the unit cell, first octahedral voids, one present in the body center. So this is the one. And another octahedral present on the edges of the unit cell. In the unit cell, 12 is present and its all contribution are 1 by 4. So this is the total number of 4. So we can say that this formula A3B4. A3 and B4.